Hey, welcome back to 79 Custom Jigs. I'm in my garage today. Kind of cool outside, so I didn't want to have to unload everything. It's supposed to warm up this afternoon. If it does, I'm going to go out and do a little fishing, do a little demo on some of the stuff that I'm making and have mounted on my kayak personally. But the reason I wanted to cut this video today is I made a modification to one of the products that I already make. For you people that have the Hawg Troughs, I make a slide in, slide out version. It works great. I don't have any problem with it. Quite a few people have bought it, but on my kayak, mine's 10 foot long, so I have a little problem with it sliding in, sliding out for the length of it, because I've got so much stuff on it already. My wife asked me the other day, she said, "You don't have room to sit down?" Yeah, I think so. But anyway, what I've done is I made a click in, click out version of it. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show it to you right now. It's designed just like the other one, except all the measurements are all different. I'm gonna flip it around to the back. It's still got the double T-bolts in the back with the brass inserts on here. You can wrench this thing down really tight and it won't go anywhere. But instead of it sliding in, sliding out like this, you know, there's not a whole lot of room on my kayak. So what I have designed is pop in, pop out. And I've turned that mount around to the outside of my kayak just for demonstration purposes only. But there you go. One-handed, pop in, pop out. You're ready to go. And it's in there snug. It's not gonna come loose. It's got a little bit of play because it has to have a little bit of play in it, but it doesn't have much. It's got very small tolerances on it. But normally, let me pop this loose. I mount it to the inside right here. That way when I pop it, I'm popping it to the inside of my kayak. But for demonstration, it's out here. So if you guys are looking for someplace to put your hog troughs, there you go. I do have my catch board coming in today. This is December 9th, 2024. And as soon as my catch board comes in, I'll get on my CAD drawings and I'll draw up some stuff just like this for the catch board. So hopefully I'll have it on at least my website by the end of the year. So y'all be sure and go and check that out. And as always, don't leave your good manners at home and enjoy the great outdoors. Merry Christmas.